What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy TYBA Laneyy P. Welcome back to another video, another banger, man. And today we're on our ways with Cars and Coffee. We got our boy Laneyy with us, and I just want to give y'all a quick idea of just how cold it is outside. And keep in mind, we are in Southern California. There is literally ice on my car. This is definitely not normal. I mean, it's happened before, but like, it's very rare to see ice on your car in California. So this cold start today should be pretty freaking nice. And if you live in a state where you get a lot of snow and all that, I'm sorry. Oh my God. A little extra gnarly today. Let's see, let's get a good downshift. Oh, yeah. She's warning me right now about the outside temperature. We know. I love that shit so much. But we actually did miss a couple R32s that just drove by. And I wanted to get some rolling shots of it, but the GoPro takes 9 years to turn on, so we may. Oh, actually, he's right here in front of us. Oh, his tail light out. That shucks. Oh, it's a 4-door. Nice. Liberty Walk GTR. Oh, this Cars and Coffee finna go stupid. I hope y'all got a glimpse of that. We finna meet up with D right now in his R33, and then we're gonna pull up together to the meet. But there's a lot of cool cars already pulling up, so we should be in for a treat today. God, he just sent it. Oh, the Mustang has entered the chat. Alright, y'all, we have made it. Let me know what you think of the new wheels, gang. You didn't even look at them yet. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah?
What's he called?
Huh?
To get some of these.
These is.
Are you still rubbing? I saw in the video.
Nah, we actually don't rub at all, honestly. Perfect. It's a 275 up front and a 305 in the back. Super meaty. I do need an alignment though. It kind of filled in some of the stock wheel gap with the suspension, so it looks better. I'm still gonna lower a little bit, but.
You're gonna lower this even more?
Yeah, probably like a ½ inch.
Damn.
Yeah, probably like a ½ inch. Got some cool Mark IVs, the real Supra according to the internet, but they look clean. Maybe one day we just got a fat meat on there. Definitely one day we want to build one of these. For sure want to build one of these. These cars is just beautiful. I just like how they're more big bodied than the Mark Vs. Y'all know I like my big body shit. Now Susie's looking all official. She's got wheels and stuff, so somebody might actually take a picture of her or actually look at her for more than like 2 seconds, but maybe not, because we're parked next to D's R33, so it kind of takes all the glory away from Susie. But it's okay, Susie, you'll get your time, I promise. We also have this GTS Skyline. It's a R31, it's an R32 on the BBS's. This is the one that we seen driving up here. This is the dude that should have won the paint correction. But this BRZ is sick. Wide body 32 right here. Two of them. 32. This is a sedan. I've never seen a sedan wide body. Little 4-door. This is pretty sick. He's got a donut. I'm finna go eat that. I ain't gonna lie, this is sick. 32, I know in the last video I kind of shat on the 32 a little bit, but I actually really love the 32. It's just probably my least favorite out of the Skyline generations. Oh wow.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I was not expecting this. STI boys, let me show y'all some love real quick. Any on the T's? Here got the fat meters in the back. Y'all thinking he's fast? I hope he's fast. Y'all let me know. Oh my God, they got all their hoods popped. This shit got a fat ass Turbski right here. Jesus. This one got the supercharger on it. All these, bro, what? Did y'all just see this? He's got the carbon wheels on there. That shit's sexy. Got this RX-7 from last vlog right here. Shit pretty smooth. Got some cool Evos sitting right here. Y'all know we love the Evos. It's got a hood exit right there. This one's clean. This one's super clean. Another hood exit, and these Evos be done up crazy. I don't know if I'd build an Evo though. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? And we got an R35 right here. Y'all know I gotta show love to the R35. This is my original dream car, Dream GTR right here. Still gonna have one. Maybe one day we'll build like a 1500 horsepower one. Back to this BRZ. I don't know if I touched up on it or not, but it's just super clean. I really like this. I don't know whose parts he has on this car, but whoever it is, they did a pretty good job making it. And he's on the This is the one that we seen driving by before we got here. This is pretty sick. This thing sounded nice as hell when it drove by. Oh yeah. She's got a lot.
He's gonna get a cease and desist.
He gets a cease and desist. Oh, it's like a purple. I do like these. If I would get like an old school muscle car, it'd be something like this.
Over the Eleanor?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what that is.
Oh man.
Wide body Reindeer Z. That shit pretty clean. I would probably change the wheels, but that's just pretty solid. Oh yeah, I don't like the thing. Another RX-7 right here. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of the lamb chop right here. I would color match it if I did get it. This RX-7 clean as hell though. Two Suzies pulling up. That one's on a fat meat though. That's them pulling up. Any fans of these? No? Alright. Got a little Rari action pulling up to the meets too. Love to see it. This is my first time seeing one of these. I was not expecting to see a newer type R. This shit, and we get an official look like compared next to the other one. This shit just looks so much cleaner. And it's got some hips on it. This shit is nice as fuck. Damn, and the white. I would get it in the white too. I kind of want one of those now. All right, y'all, we're about to leave the meet and we're gonna head to get some food. This meet was cool, but not really much going on, so we're gonna go cruise head. We're gonna cruise over to Dave's Hot Chicken and get some good eats going. All right, y'all, here is that Dave's Hot Chicken. I went ahead and got a side of mac and cheese and threw it on the slider like that. Like, come on now, stop playing with me. I mean, we really eating good over here. What the?
A-tail.
All right, y'all, we finally made it to another meet. We waited in line for about 3 days and it took forever. It's hot as hell outside, but we made it nonetheless. But they're playing some music, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit y'all with some good B-roll of the best cars here, starting with my boy Alberto Z. Let me just give you a quick walk around of this car because this shit is actually freaking fire. I love the wrap, I love the wheels, the bag, the body kit he has on this is just absolutely amazing. The fenders and the carbon fiber on the hood is just so beautiful. Bro, this wide body S2K is player as fuck. This shit is hard, bro. Look at the engine bay, it's clean as fuck. This thing is, man, damn, this shit is crazy. I like this. And that kind of wrap right there, I'd actually do a wrap like this, I'm not gonna lie. Without like the Ninja or Samurai and the Lady, I'd take all that shit off, but just keep it simple with like the back. All right, here's the info. I want you to get this car so bad, bro. Like, just stand next to it real quick. Like, come on. Like, I can see you. I can see you in one of these. Like this you right here, for real.
Bro, they just got this.
In a couple months, bro. This gonna be you. This shit brand new. He's already got intake. He's got the carbon buckets. I think these is carbon buckets. This thing looks crazy. Oh, bro, this is a factory spec. It's super expensive. It's super expensive spec to have this center exit exhaust like that.
This is the one I was trying to tell you about earlier.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, bro, this shit is sick. Bro, you need one, bro. You need it. I promise you, you're gonna love this fucking car, bro.
Yeah.
This shit is beautiful.
For the kickflip. Damn, dude.
But I'm gonna be happy as hell when you get this motherfucker, though. This shit gonna be clear. You gonna let me fucking do it, don't you?
Yeah, you gonna burn the clutch though.
This shit hard, bro. Y'all go ahead and y'all tell Kalensi y'all keep grinding so he can get one of these, bro. I love these cars. I don't know why people hate on this grill so much. I absolutely love it.
I got a stick, bro, got a blip, we catching hella balls. I love some melon in the dark bitch on a yellow ball. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tuck it, she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.